Hello and welcome to this lecture. Now we're going to create our first code in which we are going to implement some interaction between Python and some large language model. So, how is it working? We need to have some API key. If you followed the course introduction at the beginning, you have created them at that point already. So the API key setup should be done. Then you need to have all the packages. The packages are mostly coming from LangChain, and we will see how we use them in the next lecture. And then we are going to use our Python script. So the process looks then like this. We have some environment file in which all the different API keys are stored. This is the best real-life approach how you could structure your code, because you should avoid at all costs that in the coding script you have some secrets revealed. So it's best practice to have the environment information stored separately in a file, and then at runtime, when the script is called, then there are very easy ways to load all the different keys from this separate file. So this is then in our model interaction Python script with specific commands and packages. You can then load all the different environment variables. And then the next parts are just setting up an instance of a model class, and then you can invoke the model. We will see this in action in our coding. So at that point, the model is invoked with the query, and some AI message, basically the answer from the model, is provided. Good, that's it, and that is what we're going to implement right now. Thanks a lot, and see you there.